Crank up the heat for your date night, especially for Saint-Valentine's Day that's coming soon. I have 3 aphrodisiac recipes for you that are sure to turn you and your partner on. Hello culture eater, how are you doing today? I am doing so fine. I got my little red outfit today and it's very hot. It's like I almost have my heart on because we are going to talk about the best aphrodisiac foods. I have 3 aphrodisiac recipes that you can make for any romantic occasion that might be coming up soon, like St. Valentine's Day perhaps. And we'll cover other aphrodisiac ingredients as well that you can try to stimulate your sex drive and have a wonderful time with yourself or with your partners. So stay tuned, and just before, if you are not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos to come here on CulturEatz. Let's go to recipe number 1. You will be flushed with excitement over this feeling hot chocolate smoothie. It is filled with ingredients that will make your body heat rise and rise your libido as well. This smoothie is made with bananas that will help trigger your testosterone production, as well as mangoes that help regulate sex hormones and boost sex drive. There is also some avocado, which is full of vitamin E, and cocoa, chocolate, dark chocolate, which will induce your feelings of pleasure by stimulating your dopamine, cayenne, or any chili peppers. They will raise your heart rate and stimulate endorphins. And finally, we have some maca, which boosts virility and improves sexual desire. It's like a natural Viagra pill. Nothing else says I love you like a colorful and tasty dish of shrimp bedded on beluga lentils, snuggled by pomegranate fennel salsa. And guess what? It's also full of aphrodisiac ingredients that will really get you into a naughty mood. Here we have shrimp, which is loaded with iodine, which keeps the sex drive happy, and amino acids that increase sex-driven neurotransmitters. Next, we have pomegranates that are also very good for the blood flow, and it is said to have a positive effect on erectile dysfunction. Fennel works as a libido booster, especially for women. Honey stimulates dopamine, which creates feelings of pleasure. Ginger warms the body and increases the heart rate. Garlic improves blood circulation and also improves sexual performance in some men. And again, chili peppers, which will raise your body heat. Our final recipe, did you know that a soup can have sexy secrets? Take this Vietnamese Beef Pho with coffee, which is full of aphrodisiac ingredients to get your engine running, and you will not feel so full that you are too tired for a romping after. Here we will find cardamom that increases blood flow, particularly in the man's appendage. Cinnamon stimulates the senses and the sex drive, especially for women. Coffee is a stimulant that cranks up the heart rate and increases blood flow. Basil stimulates the sex drive and boosts fertility. It is said that the scent of basil alone can really turn some men on. Ginger warms the body and increases the heart rate. And once again, we find chili pepper that will increase the body heat and heart rate. All 3 recipes cover a lot of aphrodisiac ingredients, but there are plenty more out there. Here are a few that you might want to keep in mind. We have asparagus, figs, watermelon, arugula, bananas, pine nuts, oysters, pumpkin seeds, and many, many more. I really enjoyed preparing and creating all 3 recipes. They were really, really delicious. They were definitely not filling, so you'd have plenty of energy without feeling tired to do other activities after dinner if you're on a date. And yeah, they were a lot of fun to prepare. So check out my blog so you can get all recipes there. So I want to know, have you ever tried an aphrodisiac recipe before? Or have you tried one on somebody else unknowingly, and were you successful? I want to hear all about it. Make sure to leave me a comment below. Do like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you very soon, and until then, this is Evelyn reminding you to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone, and I will see you very soon. Bye.